So wait, but this is different. It's Battle Bears, and this is how to beat Space Boss. You gotta shoot his shields right there. Hold on, I gotta put my sound up. And then you need to shoot that one. It disables his shield. And you gotta destroy the missiles. So that they don't hurt your ship. And what you practically want to use is slow motion. And then he'll do a flip. And then you want to shoot his weak spot when he does the flip. Like that. See it? It says that right hole spot? That's the weak spot. How he went red? And I am Oliver. Okay, too much missiles. Man, he did that too fast. And when he's bringing in a rock, you could also destroy that rock before he even throws it. See, like that. And then he gets mad and does a flip. See? It's weird that none of my shots touched him, but that's okay. So finally he calls something different, not rockets. That's why I recommend you destroy it before he even gets it. See, watch it. Weak spot, it says weak spot right there. It would be awesome if you could get him in the back like that. Hopefully this video doesn't take more. I'm gonna be having Battle Bears and Minecraft on this.